Oh, interesting. Boom. Went away just like that. All right. Now to address that. Hmm. No, it needs a different color. Okay. Ah, so let's see. Okay, I'm gonna need to normal. What the hell's that? Back to normal. Back to normal. Oh, I don't need that. Oh, it's such a pleasure to work on my own stuff. Such a pleasure. That color first. It's not selected. Stradell. Indeed. You plan to stay up until 4 a.m. again? You know, you don't have to stay up just because Asman is still streaming. Know what I'm saying? Snap. This is wrong. Got a new UI of style. Okay. I say spending. That's right. Slot selected animation first. Dude, it's such a pleasure to work on my own stuff. Oh, why else? Yeah. Yeah. You know, I don't remember if I actually submitted any essay for the college admission. I don't think I have. But maybe I just don't remember. But no, I didn't particularly apply for any crazy, wild, super duper college, so that was my solution. What's going on here? Oh, this comes at the end. Yeah. I mean, the problem is they made college extremely affordable here by putting you into giant debt. So everybody in the mother applies to colleges. So they can afford to be super picky. And that's why they're making you run through a bunch of random essays. All right. Are you ready for new UI? Okay. I'll handle that color in a moment. In un momento. Let's see. Not selected. Because just foreground. Yeah, one of the things I like that I'm finding out is that now the colors will jump out. By default, everything's kind of grayed out more or less, but if something's important, will jump at you. For example, when your mana gets low, this will actually jump at you color-wise, so your eyes will pick up like, yo, this is actually getting there. Or even more importantly, if your life goes down in any significant amount, like that, boom, immediately goes to red. And then just blends into grayness. Gives you a nice visual clue. So if you're taking small damage, it's going to barely pop up on your eyesight. But a strong damage, boom, it's red. Yeah, I think just the colors I had before were doing something weird and odd, not sure. But now I'm happy enough with this. At least it's 4K. We'll see how it looks at 2K and whatnot. But one of the big things I'm doing right now actually is been refactoring UI pretty hard. So the idea now is that you kind of provide all the colors up ahead of time. Kind of spam up all of 3 chat, Mr. Ardell. That's funny. Yeah, but now I have like whole color scheme. So I can just control how everything looks from here. I just only have like a little bit of UIs left to update it into this style. Boom. No more custom color specification left and right, so I'm just doing this. Action's feeling good. Feeling good. Oh, I do have a new animation for the heroine, for the female. She's got a new animation I'll put to good use in a moment. Those are the want. No, not the back frame. What kind of color do I want then? I don't even know. Definitely not that. Huh. Might need a new color. Alright, let's do something like item slot selected. I don't know, maybe some kind of yellowish thing. I do need to zero out the color when I'm dragging the item, because I want that thing to be there. Don't want it to be there. Also, where's the UI blinking? Well, I assume you can sometimes see it. Yeah, I'll need to address that too. But going between slot selected to what? No, it's not selecting to be something else. Not selected. Next selected, it could just do whatever this is. Which is what? Hold on. I need another item. Oh, that's blinking really hard. Really hard. Alright, so now this can be foreground, yes. Oh, for a moment when I drop, it changes. Oh, for a moment it selects this guy. This is why it jumps a little bit. I see. But I'm really happy about this. It just goes brum, brum, brum. Slides right in. It's a weird blink though. If I want that. It's kind of annoying, especially with the mouse. I mean, we can configure it tiny bit. Might as well. Might as well. Let's configure this thing out. Right. Right. Oh wait, the sign. The sign can be negative actually. Wait a second. Ah, so that's what happens. I think it's clamped by default, right? Yeah. I see. Yeah, there you go. This is how it actually is looking. Slow down a bit. No, I think I'll do... Wait, game dev course for 2000? It's okay. I'll make a lot more making games. Way more. You make a lot more money by just focusing in the same area, just like pushing it through. As opposed to drilling tiny, tiny little different holes from the surface every time. You know what? Let's see. Nope. No, I'm making YouTube courses for people looking at my games. It's kind of unfortunately the sad part. It's really hard to find people who can be just in the right thing or layer where they interested writing courses and books, but not actually making games. I only did that once of writing books before actually. In fact, you know what? I actually done that. I did make a book. Wrote a book how to make a game. I have indeed. Granted, it was some obscure open source engine nobody knows about. That was a thing. Do you? I guess I still have a link on Amazon, kinda. I guess. Bum, bum, bum. Over 2 years ago now. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. So I think most courses, the thing is, in order to teach people how to make games anyway, primarily people only interested in Unity and Unreal. For anything else, there's barely any demand. So good luck with that, man. Plus, actually, my skills of using game engines, just I hate them. I hate them. Can't stand them. Cannot stand them. You know what I need? I think I'm okay with blinking when using a controller. But if I'm not using a controller, speaking of that, whoopsie. There's something here I haven't taken care of, huh? Let's see, item quick actions, yes. This. Course in C++. Everybody in the Mover makes courses about C++. Why should I do it? Just the stacks a little bit. Where's the silver text? Do like the new font, especially in 4K. Holy crap. I mean, it might be a little too big to be fair. But it's fine for now. Yeah, it looks good. That. Next to view. That was value. Did you know that in right now in Path of Exile 2, in order to be able to play with either controller or mouse, you have to like go back out into the main menu settings and then switch controls? You can just do like this. Like if you have a controller, you can't just suddenly switch in to use a mouse. Guess who does? My game. You can just seamlessly switch your inputs at any freaking time. Yeah, I like gray. It doesn't stand out much. Perfect. Oof, I haven't got into that yet though. Yeah. I mean, obviously the game is still good, but yeah, kind of tells you a little some. It's exactly what I want. I wanted to make this like somewhat of a white, dark white grayscale UI style. This looks good, especially with yellow popping off for important numbers. It's like all the damage values like immediately pop right there. Boom, right there. Not particularly happy with that number 3 being there. It's almost good idea to force a new line there actually. Which I could actually make the code to do it. Dude, that's such a beautiful thing. Like usually if you're writing text, usually UI library, and like you have this problem where you can see that it says 3 damage in yellow, but if 3 and damage split that far apart, it's hard to notice them because of that. And usually it'd be hard pressed to actually implement it in such a way in custom UI so that actually breaks like a different way in a new line. But because it's my code, you can't actually do that. Absolutely can. But actually before that, what the hell happened to... Oh, scale's fine here. But then here it gets too big. Oh? Okay. It's so weird. Like here it's perfectly spaced, but not there. So weird. Okay. Oh, why? Okay, now it's back to working. It's so weird. Yeah, that was good. That life amount flashing red briefly because I was low on health. Because I was switching stuff out. That was good. Oh, that's funny. It stayed there. And it's staying there. Let's go. Slot. Let me see. Let me see. Custom color. Uh-huh. Yes. I did that here. Did you know that Jonathan Blow said you shouldn't be using entity component system, especially as a noob indie in most indies? They're definitely complex, even using existing systems. For sure. For most beginners, that is definitely true. Definitely. I think I need to wipe something out. Right? Yeah. Oh, we do this thing here. Wait, this is for empty. Lot just not selected. I suppose. Yeah. Yeah, let's do this. That should work. Why? Like, boom, life turns red. All right, it's time to tackle the main menu. Actually, this will be settings menu. Oh. No, this is normal one. So back frame, check. I guess now my game has like a default slightly dark mode. I approve. I definitely approve. Not sure if I like the selection color, to be honest. Maybe I want a slightly more bluish. Fun thing now, I can actually go through and change it in one place. Let's see, button hover. That's the color. Yeah, I think I like blue. I'll go with that. Ugh. Ugh. Disgusting. Pick this. Oh, sweet lord. That is gonna be a lot, isn't it? Here it is. Oh, it looks so good though. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I'm good here. Oh yeah, the whole check boxes and stuff. Pick entity. Let's start with this. Toggle selection. I don't remember what controls colors actually. Image numbers toggle. Kind of dig the selection. What the hell that means. It's using bottom cover, so that one was fine. Wait. Let's see. Mr. Checkbox. Who you got? Who you got? Where do I set the color? Here. It is chosen by the style of the button picked from. I see. I see. So where the button is at. Yeah, so that one's fine. So how do I choose selection? Checked. Clicked on normal. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go with hover. No, it's only when it changes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Up to the zoom. What did I have? Wow, something's overriding it. Slider button. Slider button. Let's see. And then hover. Yeah. Oh, yes. And then click. I don't know this, I guess. Maybe I don't want that dirty yellow. But I do like this. I do want frame rate. Oh, look at that. Frame rate is in the wrong place. It's in the wrong place. FPS. We're at. It's immediately back up at the top. The only problem is. Wait. Where's the target? Where the front door is the target at? Target tracker. Why not? Why you no show? Is that what I called it? Why don't I see it? Maybe it's called UI last target? Is that what it is? No. Bruh. Oh wait, target track is entity name. Yes, okay. Last target route. Mr. Yorkhan, the Russian delegation. Things are good. How are you? Все отлично. Hmm. And I kind of actually want to show him the moment you just point him with the mouse, to be honest. To be honest. What's new in the game? So I spent a bunch of time. Like, yo, now it's showing up there and staying there. It's so weird. I might as well fix it while I see it. But they've remade UI a little bit. Different colors, different settings. Now everything is kind of configurable one destination for all the colors. So for that, let's pick back frame. Seems good. And then for health, what should I choose? Foreground? Yes, it's okay for now. No, I'm gonna move frame right behind it so it doesn't actually blink behind it just a bit. Let's see. Yeah. It's fine. Oh yeah, I was working on the settings. Go on settings. That is good. Alright, this thing. Okay. Everything's clean here. We'll just restart the game. Just want to see if anything is weird on complete startup. There might be some stuff here, you know. When UI is not showing, annoying. You know what? I want to fix this now because it's actually pretty annoying. Where to do toggle game UI? Toggle game UI. Right. Like right here. I don't need to trigger this. It's happening to UI sometimes. Oh, the item view is sometimes invisible. Is it just some behind it or something? The item view. Quick view. Something deselecting it. Oh. Alright, I only gotta see it. No? But I thought focus none. Oh. Oh, it's that thing. Active focus. Yeah. So when you go like that, it does go into inventory and it's fine. Goes like that too. Whatever. Oh yeah, blue and dark gray is awesome. Good combination. Oh, I forgot about that. Waiting for input. Back frame. Front. I guess back frame. Well, it kind of needs like a third color maybe on top and top. Not really sure. Morph. W. All right, next thing to fix is main menu. Okay, main menu, back frame. Oh, play buttons of different colors? I guess I don't mind that. Ugh. Is it this? Probably don't want that. Yeah, I've seen Russia just created a cancer vaccine. Nice. No, it's not something I pay attention to. Especially because I already studied what the cancer comes from anyway, like what feeds the cancer, and that's sugar. If you get rid of sugar from your diet and carbs, cancer has no chance. Oh yeah, looks good. Oh, it doesn't hover. Oh, kind of want to hover. Well, yeah, property rights do not exist in Eastern Europe, so yeah, I'm not surprised. Who needs private property rights? Definitely not Eastern Europe. Speaking of which, I don't want this also the effects. Man, I'm a stickler for tiny details. I almost want to change the font to black here. It's okay for now. I don't want the hover effect like a button here. But let's do play buttons. Play buttons. Normal is foreground. Then man, is it gonna be weird if I do a pink on heroine? It's okay for now, I suppose. Oh yeah, YouTube button. I don't think I care. Controls button. I mean, you say they do. Americans want more free stuff than even Eastern Europe nowadays. It's like everything free. Free salary. Free income. Just for existing. But yeah. Actually, I want this in yellow. Let's see. Color. Wait, which one is text highlight? Yeah. The year of what? Free stuff? I mean, it's been doing that for a while. I want to change this number to gray as well, actually. The color, back frame. No, actually. Because I just hard to read. We keep it dark for now, maybe. You cannot end world hunger by taking away money from billionaires. Even if you take all the money from billionaires, you're gonna give maybe like $100 to each person in some countries. That's about it. That's not even taking into account the whole planet now. The real question is what ends poverty in the first place? Because, like 5,000, 10,000 years ago, everybody was poor. Everybody. So what got some people out of it? China used to have over 1 billion people in poverty. And in the last few decades, over 1 billion Chinese came out of poverty. What made that happen? It wasn't any donations from the United States. It was not donations from billionaires either. Poverty is not a mindset. Poverty is a reflection of how free your country is. The more free your country is, the less is poverty. Plus, poverty oftentimes nowadays means more like a relative thing. It's not like an actual absolute objective thing, but more like if you significantly have less money than somebody else, it makes you poverty. That's not poverty. Education should definitely not be free. Like, holy crap, dude. Americans made their education free about a century ago less. And ever since then, American education have gone down the toilet, dude. It's horrific now. Absolutely horrific. It's funny to have a zero in the front. Actually, okay or not to this? Why do I have a zero there? That's so weird. Tech game FPS. Why do I have a zero in there? Oh, because I specifically gave it a zero. That's funny. That's funny. What happens if I just make it go away? Yeah, I'll keep it at that. Lots of countries like to give away stuff for free, but it's a bad idea. It's a really bad idea. Oh, free education really means is that government is in charge of your education and in charge of the content and everything there. So sure, if you enjoy being brainwashed by the government, fun. Have fun. And I think going to college is insanity anyway. You shouldn't be going to college at all. It's just a waste of money and time. Like, you'll be a better software engineer if you just go straight up to works in some way as opposed to college. Like, dude, it's like college is freaking 4 years at least. Like, you know how much you could learn 4 years on your own? It'd be an insane amount. Instead of doing all wasting time on those different essays and stupid classes, stupid tests that are completely useless. Especially engineering and some other directions, maybe. But most of the time, just a waste of time. Absolute waste of time. Hmm. Is physics gonna chill out some point or not? The answer kind of no. Nonsense. Fine, just physics. Whatever it's not happy about.
I need to dodge those.
Ow.
Out of energy.
Doesn't college teach you the basics that could help you software engineering? No. I knew by the time I went to college at 20, after high school, I already knew enough of everything there is now. The real study happens when you go to companies and you find awesome experienced engineers and you learn from them. In colleges, you don't learn any of that. They're just a bunch of, like, college professors for engineering are horrific in colleges. Especially computer engineering. Everything else may be better. Like, especially mechanicals and stuff, they're probably fine. But computer engineers and professors in colleges are a waste of time, dude. Complete waste of time. Okay, I think of them actually if... Oh, there's another UI I forgot. There is another UI I forgot. These buttons right here. Yeah. What do I want here? Oh, it's a button, right? Character point button, yes. Character point button. Maybe you'll make it red. Nah. Stick to that. Keep it like that for now. Dude. Wait a second. Yeah, that's the thing, like, when you go to those colleges, they're trying to give you, like, the generic broad education, so you end up like, wasting at least half of your time, like, taking completely useless classes. Like, biology for a computer guy, unless you're going for that particular field, it's pointless. Just that, it's just so much time, so much money, dude. And like you're going in the debt so hard, so unless your job pays you an insane amount back, it's pretty much never worth it. Yeah, those that's what I mean. Those colleges, especially American college, they force you to take so much crap. Like I had to take a class on history of jazz music. Like, dude, really? Really? That's what I mean. That's what happens when government runs us. They decided they want to brainwash you a bunch of other stuff, and now force you to take it. Have fun. Let's see, character brute, dimensions, center, and skills. Hmm. Yeah, let's keep it dark. Yeah, Jess. WXYZ Speedrunner. You made different developers to offer any free playtesting for future projects. Nice, nice. I mean, to be fair, I actually do have a playtest on Steam already. So that's not too not too weird. Yeah, it needs to be top center. That's why the alignment kept being off. Not put it in around the middle. Yeah, okay, that should be fine now. No, I don't know how to do jazz. I just did the I took the class that studied the history of it, jazz. Yeah, so this is like essential, like extremely early alpha build of the game so far. This kind of gives you a general idea. I think it's out of date, maybe like by like a month or so. But primary purpose is just to see like, hey, you can actually play the game. Does it run well on your machine? How it feels and so on. Now, ideally, what I want to do is keep. I kind of miss working in actual world system design, so I kind of want to go back and just build it out more. So they actually have to like the game keeps track of how far you've progressed. What's your largest, highest achieved zone? And because Steam is still not working for me, I think I'll just do it locally at least. So it keeps track locally of how far you've come. Definitely do that. Definitely do that. Okay, I'm good with this. Yeah, thanks, man. But the playtest primarily is kind of technical, just make sure nothing crashes. I already fixed a whole bunch of different bugs and issues there. It's been very helpful. Very helpful. Oh yeah, I love this color theme. So much better. So much better. Okay, I'm not sure I like character root there. I think I wanted it here. Maybe it's 20. Yeah, nice. So now it keeps the same spacing, so that's good. I approve. Oh, I need to turn off. There you go. Alright, before I forget and lose the changes, I need to save all the progress. Oh, yeah. I came up with a fix for this. But in a different branch. What did I have to call? No, I do it here. Maybe I need to do it earlier. What happens if I do it like here? Yeah, okay. It's good. I don't like the color scheme on the item view actually. Nope. Don't like it. Do not approve. You. Oh, I need to, you know what I need? I need a couple of duplicate items actually. I think there's one UI I forgot about. Tracker. Name. No UI improvements. Boom. Dude, my Blender file for the female is 100 megabytes. 100 megabytes of Blender. Oh lordy. Alright, next thing I wanted to do was what? Oh yeah, this. Oh, because I wanted more items, that's right. That's right. Oh, I just explode everything.
Not enough energy. I need more
We'll
energy.
actually go take a break into sounds as well. Work on sounds. Back to grinding chess again. Okay. I'm in a solid 2200 territory in the last few weeks in chess. 2200. Alright, so now I should have some duplicates, such as... Yeah. Aha. Got you. Got you in the act. Item. View and compare. Compare. Image. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, first things first. That's gonna take on text highlight. Good. I don't hate this completely, actually. Not completely. Ooh, some of the styling is wrong. Compare. Then hint. Small already. I need to be even smaller, to be honest. Okay. What color should I use? Foreground, back frame. Hmm. Hmm. I guess this is fine for now. For now. Wait, why should I have colors like that? No, 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 no. I need my blue colors. Yes, I want it to be the same thing as button hover. Shoes. I need to do something with shoes. Hold on. Give me shoes. Right now. Oh, I got it. Got it. Got it. Looks fine. But that doesn't. I can adjust the size on my own, to be honest. To be honest. Wait, do I already do that? I do vertical alignment. Tail spacing. Yeah. My problem is here. It needs a little bit of a standout color frame. Let's make a new color. Item view panel. And stick it on here. Okay. And let us pick the color. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oof. All the colors, the brightness. Yeah, I can lower the brightness in my own. Light tuna. Hey, there you go. Just dim light of my own monitor. Good. Actually, you know what? Dear Lord, it's dark. That pretty could change much, but it's fine. That's fine. Ooh, forgot to remove that part. Nasty. That is nasty. And wait. No quick actions. Oh, I think I do want it actually. So, but I don't want it to be that humongous. Nice, thanks for playtest. Interesting. UI slightly buggy makes sense. Unable to open the inventory if I close and reopen it quickly enough. Huh. Are you using keyboard to do it? Curious. Yeah, if I tap I really fast. I've had cases where... Actually, you know what? Hold on. This is my... Let's close it down. Yeah, it's fine. I'll see the current progress and then fire up the actual playtest and see if I can reproduce it. Alright, Mr. Steam, go. Yes on keyboard. Alright, let's see. Let us see. Go. Interesting, yeah. Fun thing, you can also press space. Space actually saves your state, which you previously had open. So you can just keep pressing space, it will bring you to where you were at. So for example, if you're in character, the space will bring you back into character and skills. Ooh. Oh. That space was not quite what I had in mind. Yeah, some of that can be definitely buggy when you press a bunch of things at once. Yeah. Oh. No, my case, I was thinking I got it to work with a space bar and like something between. Yeah, I see. Space, it's easier to reproduce it for sure. Ah. Okay, if you do it like, if you press I, and then space immediately right after. Yep. It will kinda not close it. So it means you have to press I really freaking fast. I think in my case, my default system key repetition probably not fast enough to do that. Ooh, yeah, if you spam it really hard. It's too hard to do that. Spacebar is easy. Yeah, if you just do I and the spacebar at the same time, just about, yeah, you'll get this position. Okay. It's good. I'll make a note. I'll make a note. UI back, pressing I, followed by space. Immediately, we'll get the inventory UI. Will show intro UI, but the player can still run around and move. Okay. I think it's because I'm trying to be W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Mostly because I'm trying to be too cute of the whole animation of a camera swimming down and up. And somewhere there was a state management thing. But it's good to know. Good to know. You know what's actually annoying me right now? When I'm pointing at this guy, I want to see his hell bar and a name immediately. I don't want to just be like pointing, getting no reaction. So let's go fix that. Let's target entity. Okay. Can do this. Let's see. World interaction. Doing the raycasty thing. Right, somewhere here I know when I'm looking at the robot. If our first hit entity was robot, yeah. Doesn't matter what else going on. But I do need this. But don't have anything like that. Oh, love having my own code, dude. I can make everything so fast, so easy. My god. Let's do this. Oh, what? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, because the game built from scratch, I can actually build out, be nice and solid. I don't want to see any frame rate drops, everything to the maximum. Right now, fixing a different UI that annoys me, which is that I want to be able to see, because by default, when you only attack him, do you get this little bar here at the top? But I want to show up there immediately the moment you look at the guy with the mouse. You know what I'm saying? And this one, yeah, I can definitely reproduce it for sure. Well, the thing is, my current build is like really far ahead of that playtest. So it probably contains a bunch of other new bugs and new features too. But I can probably push it in, assuming nothing else gets broken. But first I want to do this thing first. Why is it being complaining? Does not name the value. What? What did I do wrong? Yeah, so I was able to have, there's been guys who were able to run my game without GPU. Like they were using integrated AMD graphics. Yeah, because my game actually has two modes by default. Like this is the pretty version of the game when you have ray tracing on, but when you toggle it off, it runs even faster, but then it doesn't look nearly as pretty. There you go. Yeah, because usually There's no reason for the game to be that expensive to run. It's only the big ass game engines try to like impress everybody, and they basically force all the games that use them to discard a whole giant part of the market. But because I can run it, I have two graphical renders, and one will be able to run just about anything, which means I will have more customers. Win-win for me. What's going on here, by the way? I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, targeting this entity, good. Good. Now this one, I'm not... Just stick something in here. Alright, after that I can take a look at that inventory. Oh, actually, you know what? If you're saying you just approach the enemy, will topple over, take damage from touching you. Are you saying you want that to happen or not? So it's actually a passive skill in the guy. Like when you have... Like she doesn't do that. When she gets close, she doesn't do that. Just kind of ignores it. I'll do something in the future. But on a hero, yeah. He's got this push away skill. Which you can actually... I think if you take it away, like you put it to 0. And I don't think he does that anymore. Yeah. Boom, suddenly use the ability. Yeah. Yeah. So in that case, he no longer pushes you. So it's kind of like a garlic build from the Empire Survivors if you want. So it's up to you if you really want that. See, there you go. Pushes away nearby robot and does 2 damage. Also pushes the wall out. It does extra damage to the walls as well. But otherwise without that, doesn't particularly have the same effect. Actually feels lame without that to me personally now. Because I gotten so used to being able to just like walk to the wall, just break that thing. Break that thing. On my face. Well, speaking of which. Hey, this is supposed to be working, dude. Why is it not working? Yeah. Well, the thing is, the playtest is not like a playable game where the whole point is to give you a whole bunch of tools right away. So you don't have to like go through any kind of tutorials or like slowly build up one little thing at a time. No, you're just given a ton of tools right away and go have fun. Yeah. Yeah, the pushware right now is free. I might actually make it cost a mod. Actually, it's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. Make a note on that, actually. Let's make a note on that. Euros, push away. Passive skill. Maybe it should cost energy for each invocation. Something to consider. Something to consider. Oh, something I did just yesterday is that now she actually switches hands that she points at the same time. Same thing with lasers. She will actually alternate using different hand.
A nearby robot is locking this door.
And she'll point a different hand. Especially when she loses track. Right hand, left hand. Well, that cloud plops nicely. Oh yeah, physics, yeah. At this point, like the standout feature for my game is really just the physics. The fact that everything is destructible, especially with the guy. Even these guys occasionally break the floor. Occasionally. I think it's when this thing happens to hit down. One of my favorite builds are just turrets build. Ooh, that was a bug. Burn them down. Oh yeah, a gray UI looks wonderful. Blue thing was just kind of weird. Yeah, well that's the playtest, yeah. At some point, the thing is, I haven't really playtested that much with the guy yet. With her, I have. Just to kind of see, just to do a bit of game balance. So with him, I haven't done any balance at all. Just kind of let him roam around. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. He also has kind of pretty poor equipment. I mean, I'm still debating if I want to invest into different character off the bat or not. Maybe I should do nothing but her for a while.
My health is low.
I don't know. I'll see.
The doors are now unlocked.
I do want these ones actually to pop a bit more. Yeah, it might be the best to focus on just one. It's... I don't know. On the other hand, I have a lot of fun of him because he's a lot more physical character, so I get to have fun of like actual of actually like punching things and so on. It just feels so fun. By the way, fun fact, you can just play with the keyboard. You don't even need a mouse. Just WSD this thing. WSD, skill 1, 2, 3, and off you go. Bam. Bam. Let me see, do I have ground smash? I do now. Bam. Because one of the things I want to implement for this guy is to pick up a chunk of anything nearby and just throw it. Yeah, when it comes to like characters being weaker or stronger, I don't have any problems with that at all. Like my balancing is purely for playing the character kinda. But outside of that, like playing Diablo 1 and 2, the best type of balance is where occasionally we just like have like a breakthrough skill with someone destroying everything for like a few minutes. And then you need to go back to buffing a character again. So it's... I think the best design is when you have skills occasionally pop off and then slow down. Oh, this UI. I forgot about this UI. Oh, it's a good catch. Oh, yeah. Yeah, basically making my own version of Diablo. Yep, yep. I started from Diablo 1 as well. Played them all except, even Immortal I played a little bit on the iPad. Let's check. What is this? This is... Don't remember. Where is it? Game prompts. Game paused? No. Oh, playtest message. Oh, that too. I completely forgot about that. Back frame. Yeah, the thing about that, the balance, like think about the way Path of Exile 2 right now plays. Like melee character in that game are insanely hard to play, whereas ranged characters in Path of Exile are just a joke in comparison. So I'll see how it goes. I'll see. The thing is, this game, I'll be developing this game for at least 2-3 more years anyway, at least. So I'm not a particular rush on the balance so far. But I think it's been a couple months since I actually play tested hard enough. So I need to do that. Like playing as a warrior Path of Exile gave me freaking. Actually made my hand hurt from all the carpet tunnel on that mouse. Jesus Christ. And plus, games like that, these games are primarily solo players, so it doesn't particularly matter if the character's stronger or weaker. As long as they're fun to play, it's fine. Alright, let me see. Playtest message. That should be good. Oh, this one. Playtest. Yeah, I'm planning to keep this game single player for a long time, if not forever. Multiplayer is such a pain to implement. It takes so much freaking effort. Like, prior to working on this game full time, I was working for Amazon Game Studios, but now I even work for New World as a multiplayer engineer, so I know all about that. Just, dude, that thing's so much effort. Oh, game and dialogue, perfect. Found it. Foreground. Now let's put this back frame is fine. I don't need to describe here. And then these buttons. Panel. Check. The thing is, I actually know how to make game optimized for online play. I even written a book once about that a little bit. So I know how to get it done, so I can do it right. And because it's going to be from scratch, it's going to be smooth. Just that it's... When I did market research on that, it's like maybe only like 10% of people who play Diablo-like games actually play them online. Outside of that, most of the time just play them solo anyway. So it's like, there's no money benefit on that. Okay, that seems good. Let's test initial message. Just local. Yeah, plus, the thing is, even if I do make a multiplayer game, it's like, aside from doing a co-op on Steam is one thing, but again, almost nobody plays co-ops on Steam. Outside of that, the people expect servers, and they have to pay for servers and stuff, development, Java stuff, dude. Just like that's a money sink. That ain't worth it. Like, yeah, it makes sense to do that because that way you can fix a lot of hacking and cheating systems. So I think the main reason company do online play just to beat the hackers. I think it's my primary reason. Which I understand. S for selfish games. I just play the game as if it's running first time on somebody's machine. Yes, I need to fix this up. Message, continue button. Yes. Ooh. Yeah, I've been in a while, yeah, for sure. I also worked for non-games as well. I used to work for Microsoft for 7 years, and I worked for Amazon Game Studio for 7 years. And in that time, most of the time, I was working on my own side projects here and there. I worked Civilization 6 temporarily, fixing some bugs there, and then for maybe half a year for a New World game. And now for about a year, I've been building out this game from scratch. Let's see, continue button. I guess it's fine. I will let this slide, but that actually I don't like. Title. Oh. Maybe I should make a black background here. Yep. in my 40s. I think this will look better with this, yeah. I just need to make a different button for that style. Let's see, continue button. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, primary reason for that is because one of my hobbies on the side has been nutrition. So when you don't go for your decades of life drinking like a maniac, and then you will try to avoid as much carbs as possible, going some kind of keto, paleo, carnivore style, it just takes a lot longer to age. A lot longer. So what actual look is how humans supposed to look like at 40. At least health-wise, kind of. It's everybody else who ages themselves like maniacs. Actually, this panel I might want to make it to be somewhat transparent. I don't only have a custom alpha though. I need to make a new colors for that. Okay, I want to make it back frame semi-transparent. So take this guy. And then drop it like it's hot. Main menu check. Hey. So now play around with this a little bit. Do it. I might keep that as this. I just keep the main menu be somewhat transparent. I think I'm good at this. Yeah. Yeah. Like a special alcohol, anything like high in sugar, they ages you pretty fast. Like especially if you just like look into nutrition, the West in general and other countries have been getting extremely unhealthy in the last 50 years or so. Like the all the major diseases have been spiking up like crazy. It's because of diets primarily. There's too much sugar, too much seed oils, too many carbs. Not enough meat, especially red meat. By the way, why am I not seeing any... Oh, what did I break? I broke something. Why are you not? Oh, she's stuck in some kind of weird state. And unable to fire. That sucks. Yeah. But I would say the biggest one is definitely the diet, because everything else kind of depends on your diet. It's like you cannot outrun bad diet. Because to exercise you need energy, and if your diet food does not give you enough energy, good luck. Good luck. Yeah, what am I stuck on? Hearing animation, where is it? I'm stuck in using ability. Ability 0, laser. Trying to fire a laser. But it's not getting the right hand or something? It's weird. Huh? It's trying to do a laser. Oh, it's weird. Yeah, that's what people are finding out nowadays. Because the thing is, judging by recent science, humans have always been carnivores. We primarily just ate a ton of meat and not a whole lot of else. But when we try to feed ourselves a bunch of sugars and carbs and plants, vegetables, it doesn't go well. It just doesn't. We're finding out the hard way. Why is it entering? Why is it not just idling? Man, it is not happy. Dude. I didn't change anything. Must be some kind of weird. Oh. Hmm. What is going down? But yeah. That's one of the things I've noticed because I'm doing blood tests myself as well is that when you just cut out most vegetables and add more meat, like even your hormones begin to actually fix themselves. Uh, Fine. Current state is wait. I thought I shouldn't be saving current state. Why am I doing this? Oh, I only did that in one place. I only want this. Yeah, carnivore is by far the best. Like nothing comes close. The thing is, most people can tolerate vegetables to some degree, but it's kind of hard to tell when exactly you're going to develop all the nasty stuff from it. Like being ketosis a little bit once in a while is fine, but you don't need to fast if you're eating vegetables all the time, eating all the carbs. Then yeah, you're gonna need at least fast. But if all you do is eat just carnivore diet, you're pretty much in ketosis 24/7, pretty much, without any fasting. I'm already by default starting as idle on the ground. So what the hell is making it go into that mode? Using ability, why? Why am I still using ability? Hold on, let's go. Study this up. But yeah, what I would do is on the topic of carnivore diet, I go check out doctors who are into that. So you can just look for like Dr. Carnivore Diet. You see the dudes I like. Dr. Mason is really good. Canterbury's good. This guy's good. So is Found Baker. And also this dude as well. Like the Scifi. So yeah, it's a new thing. Well, newly rediscovered. It's been human history for the whole duration of time. Okay, so why am I not exiting using ability? Using the right hand, fine. Motion stack. What the hell? Why is it not advancing through the time? And there's 3 of them. Oh, that's why it never skips out. What the hell? Motion, why? How dare you? How dare you? Take out that guy first and then explode. Oh, he's not gonna die, is he? Let's just wink him out of existence. How about that? Delete entity. He's gone. He's gone. What we got? Motion stack 3. But times a 0 for some reason. This should be 0. Very odd. Okay, so grabbing the first one. Mr. Marat. What the hell's going on? DT. Haven't I gone here though? Yeah. Wait, now there's only one? I'm confused. Huh? Huh? I mean, I think I know what caused it. But Mr. Push Out. Yeah, it's been that time again for 2 hours. The good news, I do have new UI that I much prefer compared to previously. Way better to read and easy on the eyes. And a built-in dark mode as well. Or semi-dark mode. And that blue and gray silver just looks so good. Yes. Ooh, I forgot about this. That's nasty. Drop down content. Not sure why I had those images at all. Why? Weird. Whatever. Okay, Mr. Scroll. Mr. Scroll. And then scroll drag. What should it be? What should it be? Wait, it's a button, right? It's a slider button. Let's try it again. Why doesn't it just look like that? Roll. Right. Button. Slide button. Maybe just the sizing thing, actually. Oh, maybe it is just the size. Maybe I just need to make it just brush. Oh, that's kind of funny the way it works. What? Oh. Vertical ones, huh? Not appreciate it. What if I just make it smaller, just like that? Oh, there's like a tiniest little bug. Huh. Didn't touch left at all, actually, in this case. Let's go look vertical. Is Mr. Vertical. Kind of needs to be like in the center, so it's evenly spaced out. So somebody's messing with the left. If it's not vertical and does that, otherwise it shouldn't. Oh, this thing. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Okay. What did I do to make it not? I actually guess does touch the end, huh? It's fine, I suppose. I'll let it slide for now. I'll let that slide for now. Okay, this font looks so good. Alright. How the hell did I break the character? Let's just save the current state. There must still be some places I forget. It seems fine. No, animation, animation, animation. Is it animation freaking out? Yeah, I just talked to 0, not progressing at all. What the hell? Why? I just do reload. Animation is currently has nothing but barefoot. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hmm, So, thread two more. And this one is almost nothing. Either way, there we go. The player one. No, not yet. Wait. What? How did I disable animation? What the hell? Why did animation get disabled? There's a bunch of bull. Ooh. Oh, I save it as a thing. Ugh. Can I just force it? Can I just force it? Kinda wanna force it. This shall never happen again. You know what? Now that I think I finally fixed what I wanted to do. think I can actually put to use the new animation I have for the female. I was thinking how to just kind of hop over. She goes around. And she goes around the thing. Mr. William Hunter, aka Jose. How do you feel when people say "No way, Jose," and they're not even talking about you? So my idea was that I'm going to use that animation up and over. Initially, when she goes through the chests, because if you pay really close attention, he already does something special. Let me slow down the game way lower. Just like zooming in. When he runs into the chest, he actually kicks that thing manly style. Bam! Just knock it out. Here's the next chest. No, it's already open. Let's break this chest. Kick that thing down and crush it. I don't want the same thing for her though. She needs like a different approach. So I was thinking she was just gonna like hop over it. Rough thing what I would do. Let's see, I gotta remember. How does the here detect? I think I use a debris detector, right? Yes, okay. I don't think she has it yet. She kinda have it now. By the way, William, I do have a playtest on Steam. It's available for anybody with a Steam account. Surely I'm 140 hours now, right? Don't I? Ranking those hours, man. But yeah, on here, you can get your own playtest. It doesn't have VV latest build, but when was the last time updated actually? Up. Wait a minute. Community hub. Last time I had an update 16 days ago. It's been over 2 weeks actually since I made the game. Oh. Sounds good, man. My success stage for now for the playtest, long runs, doesn't crash, and you get him in good frame rate, it's all I care about. One thing you can do for me if you're running on it is that while in the game you can press Ctrl C, and then when you go to like a notepad or something, after you press Ctrl C, you have on the clipboard some data about your system. So you press Ctrl V somewhere, even YouTube chat or my Discord or whatever. And they'll give me some idea what kind of systems can run my game, how well run on it, and so on. So far, it seems like my game can run just about anywhere. Even if you don't have GPU, it can run. So, debris tracker. Let's see if debris tracker works now. Oh, yes, it does. For a moment, I see the chest. Good. 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 Power. Yes. So if, let's say for now, at 38, he has gonna fly. No worries, no worries. You know, the funny part is nowadays a lot of integrated GPUs, even they have ray tracing, which is insane. Like in my game, you get this pretty mirror, and that's a perfect ray traced mirror right there. Once I get more into producing content, I'm trying to think about it because I want to be able to customize the mirror shape. So it needs to be like, aside from equipment, it needs like another tab or something where you can like slot in different options for like a mirror type, for example. Because I can do different shapes of mirror. The only problem is the mirror is not supported in non-ray trace mode, so that's going to be a little wonky. A little wonky. Yeah, if you haven't seen Beefy Machine, then yeah, it's not particularly too interesting at this point. But it's useful for otherwise to go look for minimum spec. I was thinking, oh yeah. Okay. So let's say anytime she flies, just kind of flies, nothing else going on, I can do debris check. How did I do it for the guy actually? Debris detector. Get stuff out of the way. My one recommendation right now in the playtest, by the way, is to play with a female first, because she's slightly better balanced in a way. Whereas the hero, he just destroys everything. Although he's kind of hard to tank. He's not a particularly good tank so far. That requires some control. I just haven't play tested him much for balance. Alright, let's see. How do I detect what happens? If just detected, check. When does it happen? If pushing away robots. Oh, if not pushing away, and this is under what stage? Under running. Yeah, I could do something like that. Irene, where are you at? One idea I have is that the hero and heroine will have different type of items to wear. Because for a guy, I don't particularly care about having like thigh accessories or having a choker or something like that, right? We'll have completely different item drops too. Alright. Oh yeah, this whole thing. Okay. So while flying, jump over chests. Oh, it's not right. Occasionally it takes some good ideas for different skills. Mr. Murat, for example, gave me a suggestion for ground Hulk smash on the guy. But I'll have to start to think of something new for the heroine as well. Some kind of new skill that I want to have. That I would enjoy having. You can always do something simple like explosive fireball. Something that does like a AoE damage, but it's still a projectile. Let's see if I'm running. I mean, if I'm just flying, I'm detecting this. fly and jump over. Right, yes. Animation, yeah. Animation stuff. I don't never remember what the hell was said here. What is stage? Is it this? Don't know. There, huh? Okay. Push this motion. Guess I'll go back into probably just flying it. Like that as a first approximation.
Oh, I see a great item.
Oh, maybe I didn't save it. I didn't. Son of a biscuit. Save this thing. Alright, it's time for slow-mo. Slow-mo.
I see an excellent item.
I guess she does like a cute kick. Oh, really plays that slowly? Holy crap. Oh. No, this should be happening fast. Take that. I'll take that. Come on, Blender. You can do it. You can export it if you try it hard enough. It's gonna be on bottleneck in the future. Holy crap. Why do you have to export like separately stuff? Might have to. Oh, let's see how it looks like. Hey, is it that time? find one thing I need to do while in that mode. This direction. Now this follow. Base direction movement has to be false. Actually true here. Maybe it's already that way. Like here. What's making her face that way? Navigation follow. Base the path is false. Uh-huh. I should try to kick it. Nope. Well, that's funny. She's just gonna keep trying kicking it. Oh, it's this thing determines it. I see. No, there's something else too. I don't want to break the lock if she sees him. Because this is still in flying mode, right? Yeah, still flying. Let me just see what happens here. Wow. It didn't even trigger. Did not even trigger. Okay, I don't care about this. Why? Oh, I did not break here. Oh. Break. Oh, because she's not facing the chest, she won't be able to detect it because I'm detecting in the front. Son of a biscuit. Son of a biscuit. Hmm. Biscuit. Fine, let's just make sure it works this way for now. Kick it. Just a cute little kick. Boink. I don't want it to completely hop over. But maybe a Q kick is for now, is fine. Just a cute little kick. But what's making it delay where? She's ready to kick here, but she's not. Alright, let's just first force her in a kicking position. Now, for now, well, kind of useful actually. I want to fix this bug, yes, because it's so useful. What else is making it not go there? The jump always taking its sweet freaking time, dude. Why is it so long? Oh. The animation is too long for no reason. Find the reshuffling. Come on. We're Gucci? No. Still exporting. Okay. Zoom it in. Half speed. Kick. 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 Excellent. Let's use a control for this. Kick. 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 Yes. Alright. Controller time. There might be a benefit. Instead of looking where the character is looking, instead do it based on a direction of movement. Like here. Yeah. It's kind of minor thing, don't care too much. Hmm. Hmm. I'll take it. It's a good quickie. This is a cutesy kick on chest. Take it. I'll take it. Mr. Audio. Thought I fixed you. Good. And it looks so much different because she has like this slender legs. When a guy does it, just like this beefy freaking monster. Oh, smash! Oh, we need to do the same thing for him. Wait. Does he have the same problem, maybe? Does he struggle from the same problem? Where's low kick, dude? I want to see some freaking low kicks. Okay. Alright, slow motion. Low kick check. Set. It's ready to go. Hmm. Yeah, it looks so different. Excellent. Excellent. It's the debris detector. Maybe I can do a little improvement. Right. Right now we're taking it from current angle. Velocity direction. Is that accurate at all? Maybe. Is this not reflected? It's not, of course not. Of course not. Current speed is. Current speed. Oh, it's here. Right. Oh, it's even normalized. Oh. It's even normalized. Okay. Which means oh, I don't know follow here. Action. Be a little expressive. Yeah, this might do it. Ugh. Oh, because its velocity could be 0. Right. Nope. Alright, so let me see. Keep an eye on that guy while we go and run into the chest. Thanks, I shouldn't turn around, so something else is forcing that. We'll do that here. Maybe somebody else sets it to false. Ooh. The system. Actually, when do I do that? That looks it. Yes, and this overrides it. This must be it. Override goaling. I don't think this happened, does it? Does it? Not that one. This one definitely has. Yeah. Let's see. I'll see what's going on up around here. How do I want to do this? I need to put this behind. Face the closest target. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I can do that. That I can control. Ability. Boom. Take that. Boom. Perfect. Excellent. So even though she sees him, she will turn around to kick the chest open.
An excellent item. Oh, I see a great item.
Hell yes. So I'm talking about. You know what? I don't know which chest here. Mr. Mapper, give me chest. Yeah. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come pickup's not working? That was weird. That was weird. SpaghettiOs. Let me see what's happening here. Is this because of that? Oh, it has vocal speed but doesn't have direction vector? Dude. Isn't that cool? That is not cool. Length squared is at least some decent value. Yeah. Let's move to the front. That crash shall happen no longer. Boink. Almost want to add a voice line for when she kicks it open. Let me see. I need to make sure this thing is not going to be too loud. Okay. Last time it did that was loud as all hell. You're not just going to give me that? Cool. Volume master. Bring this thing way down. Where's my chick? I think Jessica, I think.
I got them all. I got them all.
Okay. How do I make her make exclamation of a thing? Huh. How would I even say that? Exclamation for exertion. Quite. Hmm.
I got them all.
Ugh. Zoinks.
Cha. Cha.
You know what? This is a time. Something suitable for kicking a chest open in a game. Actually, that might work.
Hiya.
Ugh.
Ha. Ha. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
No, I'll take it. I'll take it. Make like 3 of these.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Let us see, Mr. Wise. There's a decent time to go into sounds too. Do you want to mess with all this? Maybe. Maybe. little bit. Oh yeah, that's right, I have to convert them too, I forgot. Yeah, a 1. Good, 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 good. Just run it. Aw, bull. This is bull. I don't have it there, really. Where did I put it? Where have I put it? Did I put it here? I think so. Self tools. Oh, I see. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Random container. Heroine. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. He has a voice. Good. To get in a speech bus. Good.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Approve. I approve. New event play. Okay. To here. To here. Let's see. Did we get it? Did we get it or not? I think I did. Did I get... Okay.
Hello. Hi.
Hmm. Inventory thingy. Hmm. Where do I stick that? I don't even know. Oh, I could add it into here actually. Oh, it's getting late. Might have to switch to no camera mode. Otherwise, we're just too much light. Yeah, good idea. Trackmania. So trigger this thing. Let's do this. Where's audio pack? Oh, it didn't show up. Fine. Vent. Ooh. Let me see. Yeah, here. Good. Set it to here.
Yeah.
Wait, why is it not saying to false?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not being ignored by me. What? Yeah, what is incrementing it? Oh, I'm doing that, I see. I see. That is actually kind of annoying, actually. Oh. Okay. This should only happen once. What? Something else badly fail? No. Probably did not save. Of course not. Of course not. In a chest. Yeah. Why is this set to trigger?
Yeah.
There you go. But default should be false, right? Oh, it's not. Why is it triggered? Who's triggering it? Huh? 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 Why is it defaulting to true? Makes no sense. No sense at all. Alright. That should be good. Come on. Come on. Okay. A period can be really short.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, that was delayed harshly. Really harshly. I'm gonna move this up. Right here. Just doesn't get triggered.
I see an excellent item.
Right. Back in the chat for a bit. Seems good. Back to work. Right. What seems to be the officer problem? The names. You. Oh, yeah. Let us see. Extra data. Is speaking false? But I thought maybe I'm doing something else. That's weird. Oh, let's close it down. Wait, does it work if I just do... Didn't actually play the sound. No. Let's see. I broke it in general. Playing. Really? Oh, what do you play back? It's not playing. Just so I'm not crazy. False, right? Somebody clearing it out? Or did I forget something? Right here. Yeah, good. Good. Supposedly that does stuff. Supposedly. Yep. Kicking a chest, good. Oh. Oh, it's getting late. That was a simple mistake. Yeah, make sure. Trigger when she's not speaking. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, that was way delayed. Why is it so delayed?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't really want any cue it if it's already speaking. I would pop last here all the time. Hmm. Maybe she's speaking. I'll just wipe it out.
Yeah.
Is it because I'm waiting?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's this timer. Thing is, yeah, that wasn't continuous, but kind of keeps requests in there. It's not exactly what I want. Not exactly. I think you just drop it. Should just drop it.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Do you want to introduce a chance though? Oh, there's a chance here. Like that. Is it implemented? Where's my chance? Chansu. Where's the Chansu? Like if we go and past it. Chance. Somebody do it somewhere. Yes. Okay. Who would do it at the very top? Yeah, should. Okay.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
You know what? I kind of want to lower it a little bit. Just quiet just a bit.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Maybe like quarter of a time.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Make it quieter actually.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh, this one is not triggering. Why not? Why do you not trigger? The door is locked. Really? Get player trigger volume. Just not doing it. Huh. Does it ever get here, dude? Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Hands for door. Oh, door is locked too. Oh. Didn't even go at the... Oh, trigger. I see. Some of them kind of need that. There you go.
I see an excellent item.
Excellent.
The door is locked.
3 seconds is a long ass countdown, huh?
A nearby robot is locking this door.
That's good, I think.
The doors are now unlocked.
You know which. Wasn't I implementing the feature early on today where just pointing out the robots would show me something? No. Oh, before that, bunch of new stuff. Don't need these. That's fine. That's fine.
I need to dodge those.
Oh my.
Yeah. 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 The doors are now unlocked.
Okay. I thought when I point he would do that, but it doesn't. Little bastard. Little bastard. Oh, maybe there's something else that hides it. Hmm. This does happen, right? No? What the hell is this then? Huh? Really, this never freaking happens. Is it going down downtown? Dude. Really? Really? So this never happens. Just doesn't, huh? Oh, this doesn't hit a walkable. Yeah, that makes sense. That's fine, but... But this... Yeah, excellent.
The doors are now unlocked.
So now... Gotta say that, maybe calling everything a robot is a bit of a redundant. And I do need to adjust the length of it too, actually. I wonder for the controller, you should just pick the nearest one. If she has direct line of sight. Maybe even highlight that one somehow. I could do some kind of outline maybe.
I got them all.
Okay.
The doors are now unlocked.
That got queued up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we don't even input for this. It's too bad. That is too bad. Why does this happen? Actually, why do you not break a new line there? Oh, because I unchecked that. Oops. Oopsie. Okay. That's good.
I got them all. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. I approve. Go on.
The doors are now unlocked. Yeah. robots have been destroyed. I need to dodge those. I see a great item.
Oh, snap.
Hey, that hurt.
What the hell's going on?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice, I love it.
Yeah.
Kick it. Kick it.
I see an excellent item.
Wait, this still up?
I got them all. The doors are now unlocked.
And that is a not bug. Okay.
All robots have been destroyed.
Are we looking at 2K resolution? This maybe? Boo. Really? That quickly? Hmm. They give me a crash? No. This is shirts. Okay. What? Formulas must be currently signaled. Whatever that means. I think this still looks good. What is that? I don't know. Don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm. Alright, time to go back to the master branch. Absolutely. Well, that'd be a good time. Maybe I can download this after all. Give me this. Give me that. This should be good.
Yeah. 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 All robots have been destroyed.
Okay. You know what it's time for? Release build. Let's go. One nice thing is that today I was finally able to update my BIOS. Since then, the Intel CPU finally becomes stable. Thank goodness. What failed? Custom build font. Oh, it's that annoying thing. Like such a. I understand. I understand. I understand. We build now. Good, good. Here we go. Release build. Hell yes.
Yeah.
Right.
All robots have been destroyed.
I did trigger that sound now. It's kind of weird. Wait. You know what? Kind of. Oh. Hello, Mr. Oldbug. Mr. Oldbug. When it lands on that, it doesn't break the line. Mr. Oldbug. I think I'll do this tomorrow. My brain is now way too slow. So I shall return tomorrow. Take care.